Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading again. It is Monday, February 7th, and we're going to continue on with the price action trading education series here for YouTube. And today we're going to talk about support and resistance. So support and resistance, essentially what we're looking for are turning points in the market, just pivot points. Just like when we look at a trend, we look at pivot highs and lows to confirm higher high, higher low uptrend or lower high, lower low downtrend. Well, those pivots then become support and resistance levels. And the way we use support and resistance is the more times a support or resistance level has been tagged, the more times a price point has been bounced off of. For example, down here, we hit it once, twice, 3 times, the more significant that support or resistance becomes. Now, one thing to keep in mind is sometimes you'll see something like what we had up here with Ford, where we bounced off of it, bounced off of it, bounced off of it. And then you have what we call a run of stops, which we've talked about a run of stop setup before. It's when you break through, knock out all the orders that are below that support resistance, and then immediately reverse. And that'll often send it in the opposite direction. But the key point for today's video is pay attention to the turning points in the market, the pivot points. These are support and resistance. The more times support or resistance has been tagged, the more significant it becomes. When we're trading breakout trades, we want to see very significant support or resistance levels. So we want to see at least a double top or a triple top or double bottom, triple bottom, and that'll determine where that level is for the breakout. And then we want to see when it breaks out and actually triggers, we should see follow through, a strong close, and increased volume. But these levels can be used for determining potential entries on breakouts and also for determining targets. For example, when we had the Ford short up here, which I posted on Twitter and in the trading room and everything, our target was where we had previously bottomed, right down here on all these pivot lows for support. So we were looking for the breakout of compression to the downside with our support target here, which is right where we went down to before bouncing. So again, support and resistance, our pivot highs and lows. The more times a specific price point has been hit and then bounced off of, the more significant it becomes for a bigger breakout or a bigger support or resistance level for a bounce in the opposite direction. So keep an eye on it. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter as well. That's @TradesWithTom. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.